How can you combine these words with these words? It's often a big mystery. I'm here to hopefully make things clear. Welcome to Everything English with John, the #1 place for YouTube English lessons. I'm John, and today we're going to study phrasal verb secrets. To pig out. This is Pablo. He's a really fit guy, and he often eats a healthy diet. It's necessary for him to follow this diet to get big and strong. All of that food helps me build muscle. I love the way I feel. But man, I really miss eating what I want. I'd love to have some of my favorite food, Chinese food. I think tomorrow will be my cheat day. Pablo ordered a lot of food for his cheat day. He's pigging out. Quiz time. Pablo is really pigging out. What is he doing? He's resting. He's eating a lot of pork meat. He's eating a lot of what he wants. He's working out. Please pause the video and answer the question. That's right, it's C. He's eating a lot of what he wants. Teaching moment. Pablo is a fitness freak and needs to eat healthy, but sometimes he wants a cheat day to enjoy his favorite food. When he had the opportunity, he pigged out on Chinese food and loved it. We use the preposition on for pig out. Pig out on something. Examples. After the party, I decided to pig out on leftover pizza and cake. Last weekend, we went to the beach and pigged out on burgers and fries. My friend and I love to pig out on popcorn when we watch movies together. Whenever I visit my grandparents, they insist that I pig out on their delicious homemade cooking. Phrasal verb secrets. To pig is not a verb. To pig out is an invented expression. Out has an abstract meaning in this phrasal verb. It's used in the same way as out of control. When you pig out, your eating is out of control. We can find a similar meaning in the verb to freak out, a situation without control. Thanks for watching Everything English with John. Please like, share, and subscribe. For more information or private classes, please visit my site, everythingenglishwithjohn.com.